Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage, back at another video, man. And this is how I start the video, the last couple videos, man. Sorry for the slight echo, man. As y'all know, all my stuff is sent off to the United States of Texas. Y'all know we'll be there soon, within a couple of weeks. So y'all boys stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a lit summer 2019. And like I said, apologize for the echoing in the house. So I'm talking kind of low, but still trying to keep my same energy, you know what I'm saying? So you need to channel right now. What you need to do is subscribe to the channel. We're gonna grind to 20,000 subscribers, man. We're right around the corner from 17K. It's gonna get there very, very fast. And hopefully we hit 17K before my birthday, July 8th. That'll be very, very dope, man. So y'all help your boy out, share the videos, like the videos, comment under all the videos, man, and leave me feedback on all the videos, and that'll help the channel grow a lot. Also follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. The link will always be in the description box below. And also make sure you check out Soul Premise. Like I said, I'm still working on this discount code. I'm gonna give it to y'all very, very soon. Sorry for holding off and stuff like that. But y'all go check out Soul Premise, get you a nice sneaker traveling bag. It's very essential to sneakerheads, I'm telling y'all. I will do a sneakerhead life hack or whatever video showing you how to use it and stuff like that. And it's dope, it's very useful, especially if you're a sneakerhead, of course. All right, now let's talk about these upcoming sneaker releases of summer 2019, man. Let's get it. All right, the first sneaker we're gonna be talking about is these blue Off-White and Nike Air Force One collaboration, man. This sneaker right here is very fire. I call it the Blue Lagoons, man. I got to get them. Hopefully it do just like the Volt Off-Whites did, and it was kind of like low in resale value. I think it was going for like 300. That's when I should have jumped on it. Now that pair is going for like 400 plus, man. And I can't do it, not yet. I can't do it, man. I ain't gonna pull that trigger yet. So hopefully I can get a pair of Off-White Forces. Y'all know I do have a pair of Off-Whites in the collection, but I want to add a pair of Forces in the collection. And these Blue Lagoons, which I'm calling them the Blue Lagoon Off-White Air Force Ones, is something that I'm trying to grab and put in the collection. They were rumored to release sometime summer 2019. I have not got a hard, definite release date, but I do know that the official images were released, and a lot of people was talking about them, and I wanted to bring them to the subscribers and see what y'all felt about these Off-White Air Force Ones. Very dope to me. Hopefully I can cop, hopefully I can get my hands on them, show them to you guys. And with all that being said, let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Let's get into these next sneakers. All right, this Jordan Brand fucking up, man. Jordan Brand is fucking up. Y'all probably already know I'm talking about the 4 colorways in that Flyknit 4s, man. I don't know what Jordan Brand been thinking. They just been throwing us anything. Like the Flyknit 1s was all right, but then you throw it on the 4, like come on, man, come on. They have it in, let me check, the blue, red, lime green, and the oranges. Me, I promise y'all, I know it's a couple of sneakers I probably told y'all I would never get, like the Fear Gods, but this one right here, I can definitely vouch for myself that I will not be copying a pair of these Flyknit 4s. All of them is trash to me, honest opinion. I want to know you guys' honest opinions on these as well. Like the Flyknit 4s, like come on, man. Maybe you can like customize them, do something different with them, and try to like spice the sneaker up. But the Flyknit 4s is just not. It ain't doing it for me, man. But like I said, to each is his own, and that's why I do these videos to try to get everybody's opinion on some of these sneakers. So let me know how you feel about all 4 of these Flyknit Air Jordan 4s. And this is mainly why I put What the Fuck Jordan Brand with these Flyknit 4s. So let me know in the comment section below. Let's get into these next sneakers. All right, next we have something that people don't even know I probably have. I have a nice Foamposite collection, I feel like. I think I got a nice little Foamposite collection, but I haven't been copping them a lot lately because 1, they're expensive. 2, it's just been so much other heat dropping, and 3, ain't been a lot of dope colorways I feel like I can grab. I know it's a couple of OGs that I passed up on, and I definitely had to go back and go get them, and I will be showing you guys those when I get them in the collection. And I'm gonna updated Foamposite collection for you guys. I know y'all like the Foamposite videos, trying to mix it up on the channel. I know mainly y'all see just Jordans, but I'm trying to switch it up, give y'all different stuff. Like I gave y'all the Come On Disc Garçons, Converse, I gave y'all some Off-Whites, I gave y'all Puma, I gave y'all everything. And I want to give y'all more Foamposites. I haven't did a review over Foamposite in over a year now. So hopefully I can cop these Air Foamposite 1 Snakeskins. It doesn't have the swoosh, but you got like an orangish, reddish outsole with that whole snakeskin uppers. Y'all know Jordan Brand gave us the navy blue 11 lows, and they gave us the light bone snakeskin 11 lows. And y'all know I'm an 11 fan. I'm an 11 low guru, and they put it on a Foamposite. You already know that I'm gonna try to get my hands on these Foamposites, man. I want to know you guys' opinion. You know, they're going to be releasing. Let me give y'all the exact release date. I'm sorry. June 15th, which is this Saturday, for $220. You know, usually your Foamposite ones is $230. They dropped it down to $220, which I'm very shocked by. Maybe the Snakeskin ain't that too much of Snakeskin. Maybe it's just like a print and it's not the feel like we got on 11 Lows. But they did drop it by $10 and gave this to us for $220, June 15th. Let me know how you feel about those in the comment section below. Like I said, these might be coming to collection if I don't get anything else this month, and it's not a lot of stuff that's rumored to release or set to release as of now. I might go after these and, you know what I'm saying, pick up a new pair of phones. I ain't got a pair in a while. And the Air Jordan 4 Flyknit, I forgot to tell y'all, the release date is June 14th, retailing at $220. I'm sorry, I didn't even put that on there. $220 for Flyknit 4s. Like, what? No, them gonna be straight to the outlets. But I do want to see a couple of reviews on them, see how they actually look in hand with or on the camera. I want to see how they look. But let's get into these next sneakers, man. All right, now we about to get into some Yeezys, and actually these Yeezys that I seen, put a picture right here. It's called the Tephras. I seen them in museum when I picked up the Vanta joints. It was a whole box of 700s. If y'all didn't check that video out where I picked up the 700 Vantas, go check it out. But all those 700 boxes that was on the floor were the Tephras, and I actually seen a pair of them, and I thought they was the Geodes because they kind of like similar, but now that I can recall that they were definitely way lighter than the Geodes. And yeah, they pretty nice. They pretty nice. Maybe not nothing I need right now, but something I can cut later down the line. Cause y'all know how 700's been lately. They're kind of sitting. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to get them on release date, but if you kind of like want the sneaker now, you can just go get it. If you can afford it now, you can go get it. But this one right here, I can just wait, get it on StockX and stuff like that, and get it for like $250, $260. That's where I see these going for in the near future. But of course, later down the line, years come down, years pass, they're gonna be going for like $400, $500. It's a less amount of shoes that's DS, and of course, the price is gonna go up on that sneaker, man. So y'all let me know how you feel about these. Of course, you already know that the 700s always retail for $300, which is crazy. It's real crazy. And the release date is June 15th as well as the Foamposite 1 Snakeskin, man. So let's get into these next sneakers. All right, next we're gonna be talking about the reverse Ferrari Air Jordan 14s. And I seen a couple of reviews on them, man, and I'm not very impressed about it. Of course I'm a cop because it's 14, I love 14s. But they didn't throw suede on it. Like with the red Ferrari 14s, we got all that nice furry suede, and on these, we get like, I think it was like a hard kind of leather. I only think it was that tumbled. I seen a couple of reviews on them. It didn't live up to expectation. I thought it was gonna be super suede, just like the red ones, but go check out some reviews. Y'all gonna see that Jordan brand disappointed us again with this. I don't even think it's nice tumble leather. Maybe they gave us some super tough tumble leather, it would be dope, but they kind of gave us some mediocre leather, and they didn't give us suede. Like, come on, man. But check it out, Air Jordan Reverse Ferrari, releasing June 22nd. I think the retail price is $200, so it did go up $10. I don't know why they didn't give us nothing different. They should just gave us some all yellow suede. That would have been super dope, man. I wish they would have did that. But y'all let me know how you feel about these in the comment section below. Let's talk about it. I'm responding to all the comments, and let's get into these last couple of sneakers. All right, we have another Adidas 350 V2 non-reflective, and I think the name of it is, and I don't know the name. I'm gonna put it right here. Y'all see the picture, man. It's a non-reflective, so of course they're gonna be doing a reflective as well. It's just, I'm put both the pictures up here. You know, the reflective is gonna be going for more in resale value rather than the non-reflective. Of course, if you seen the black reflective is going for $1,200 plus in my size. I did not expect that because I kind of thought that the static reflectives, the white pair, was a little bit better than the black pair, but not to a lot of sneakerheads. The black ones killing the statics in resale value right now, and maybe because, like I said, it kind of looks like Power Black, and they threw that 3M in there. Hey, it's dope. But check it out right here. I don't know how to pronounce it, but they will be releasing June 22nd for $220, of course. You know how much Yeezys retail for, and kind of like a butter, pretty much. But they gave us a little bit different things in there. Probably the laces are 3M as well, because you know how the statics, non-reflectives, the black non-reflectives, and of course I feel like these right here are gonna be 3M laces as well. Let me know how you feel about the reflective joints of these and the non-reflectives. Let me know which one you're gonna be trying to go after. And because some people don't like the all over 3M. Some people just like the shoe with just the laces 3M. Yeah, y'all let me know how I feel about that. All right, the last sneaker we'll be talking about is the Air Jordan 1. Another Air Jordan 1, man. Jordan Bear been cracking us over the head with these Jordan 1s, and it is the gym red joints. The red is not as bright as I would have thought. Maybe I gotta see, like I said, an earlier view or something. Let me see them in hand, but the red kind of looks kind of dark. Kind of look like a burgundy red, I would say. And the leather, it looks all right, you know what I'm saying? Of course, it's Jordan 1. Everybody loves Jordan 1s now. I did not like Jordan 1s when I first was getting the sneakers, and they kind of grew on me. Ever since I got the black toe ones and I sold them, I don't know why. I just be wanting to, like, I don't know why I sold my Jordan 1 black toes. I don't know why I did it. And y'all know I still ain't get the bread ones. Hopefully I get those as soon as we hit 20K. That's my promise to the subscribers. As soon as we hit 20,000 subscribers, I will cop the Air Jordan 1 breads, man. But check it out, the release date is June 29th and they retail for 160 bucks. I'm glad they kept it at 160. Let's stop rising the prices up on the Jordans. Come on, Jordan brand. Let's keep it 190 or drop it back down to 170, man. How it used to be 180, or drop it down to $10, $20 to help us out, man. You've been cracking us over the head with all these dope sneaker releases. Just let us save a little bit of bread, man. But y'all let me know how I feel about these Jordan 1 gym reds in the comment section below. That is the last sneaker we'll be talking about for the upcoming sneakers of summer 2019, man. All right, thank everybody for tuning in to the channel and to this video. I know y'all was probably trying to figure out what sneakers is releasing and which sneakers do y'all think I'm going after, and maybe y'all trying to see what other new sneakers y'all haven't heard about. And I gave y'all a couple of sneakers that probably you haven't heard, and maybe you're gonna try to go after them now that you've seen them. So let me know which ones you digging the most in the comment section below. Let me know what sneakers I forgot in the comment section below, because you know I don't know every sneaker that's releasing. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at The Vintage World. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. If you made this far into the video and you haven't hit the like button, what you doing, man? Go ahead and hit the like button. I appreciate all the love and support, man. Thanks for tuning to this video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.